Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different from the normal. I am going to be doing a tutorial in Adobe Premiere Pro regarding how to export your videos in 2:1 ratio. Now you may be wondering, why would you want to export your videos in 2:1 ratio? The main reason is, for other people that are viewing your content on YouTube, you want your video to fill up their entire screen. Now if it's 16:9, you're going to have black bars on the sides, but if it's 2:1 ratio, you're going to fill up pretty much that entire screen. It keeps your viewers engaged and keeps them coming back for something brand new, something unique, which is very good for YouTubers. So as you guys can tell on the screen right now, this is my recent video, and I pulled this up for an example because I did shoot this in 16:9, and then I put it into a template for 2:1 ratio that I developed myself. So let me show you guys how to make your own 2:1 ratio template. So guys, first thing you're going to do is you're going to go up here to sequence. You're going to click on sequence settings. You're going to look at the frame size, horizontal and vertical. Go ahead and set that to 3840 by 1920. That will change this right here to 2:1, which is what you want. Now after you do that, you will see on the very top and the bottom there are no black bars. The reason for that is because we are actually in 2:1 ratio now in our project, and you can kind of tell already the video is a little bit wider than normal. So once you've done this, you go through and you can edit your video, add whatever color grade you'd like to add on there for you, and then once you're done, you're going to click up here to File, you're going to go to Export and Media, and you're going to change a couple settings in here. So once this comes up, I'll show you guys what I mean. So you're going to go to Basic Video Settings, you're going to change this to 1920 by 1920. Next thing you want to do is you want to go to Frame Rate, make sure your frame rate is correct on there. If you want to do 24 frames, you can click on that, 30 frames, etc., etc. And if you go down, you want to click on the aspect portion here, go to Anamorphic 2:1 2.0. And then once you've done that, you can scroll down a little bit. Make sure your profile is on main or high, whatever you guys want to do for your video. And your level is set to 5.2. Now if we keep going down, you will see that we have the bitrate settings. Now bitrate is very important for videos, so you can copy my settings here, that's all good. I have a 1080p video, so these are the settings I use. VBR2 pass, target bitrate 20 megabytes a second, and maximum bitrate 30. A quick tip for those of you guys who are wanting to get the most out of your video as far as quality is concerned, go a little bit up, click on render at maximum depth, go ahead and check that box, and also check use maximum render quality. Once you've done that, you're all set and ready to go. So go over here to Output Name, click on the name, rename your video, and hit Export. So guys, once you have hit Export, the video will render in a 2:1 ratio, and it will show up that way on YouTube and other platforms. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, go ahead and smash that like button down below. If you have not subscribed yet, you definitely should. Red button right down below, and I would really love if you guys would turn on those notifications as well. But that's going to wrap up today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.